How's it going? This is Sam with the Droning Company here at Xponential 2024, and I'm at the RadioMaster stand with Patrick. How's it going, Patrick?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Good to meet you. So I've been using RadioMaster controllers for years at this point. Stopped by your stand and couldn't help but notice the lineup you guys got going on here. So what can you tell me about the different controllers you have going on?
Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff. I haven't flown them all, honestly, just because I've been flying the same Generation 1 TX16X, which kind of speaks to how long they last and
I'm right
how
there
long
with you.
how long they stay in business. I wish we brought one of the aluminum ones with the all-metal faceplate and back. Those feel pretty cool.
I've seen those. I haven't gotten a chance to actually check them out yet, though. Yeah. They look nice.
They get hot in the sun, but just keep them in the shade. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of stuff going on with, I didn't even know we had this many receivers. A lot of Express LRS type of stuff. You got the PWM receivers, the 2.4, the 900 megahertz, and it's cool just showing people what we've got. It's the best radio for anything you want to do. If you need to control something, these are the sticks for you.
Awesome. And correct me if I'm wrong, most, if not all of your product lineup right now has the option to have Express LRS built into it, right?
Yeah, that built-in 2.4 Express LRS is definitely the way to go.
That's awesome. That's awesome, especially because a lot more pre-builts are starting to just adopt that as the default for what they use as far as their receiver goes.
It's really impressive how quick they've kind of taken over.
It is. I remember for the longest time it was just Crossfire, and now it's gone to Express LRS, which has just been phenomenal.
As a sponsored TBS pilot, I actually considered selling my Crossfire.
There you go.
Replace it with the 900 megahertz module.
Yeah, I can't say anything better about it than that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're here at the, like I said, Xponential 2024 at the RadioMaster booth. Definitely come check them out. They've been phenomenal controllers for years at this point.